Hi Best Fiends fans, today I'll be showing you how to make a polymer Nog sculpture. You will need polymer clay and some basic tools. We are starting off with the head. And for that I used a bowl of ochre colored clay and a tiny beige colored ball on top of it. The bottom bowl is flattened down with my finger and now I texture it to make it look like fur. I make the eye sockets with the ball and the tool. I cut round slices of black clay and I punch them into the sockets. I draw a line for the mouth. Cut 2 white triangles for the teeth. And now I am adding the nose. Just be sure to make it stick nicely. Maybe even add some liquid polymer clay between the nose and the face. And then bake. After baking, I proceed to make the body. I roughly shape it, brush some liquid polymer clay and then push the head inside. Then we are going to make the legs. For that I cut out 6 pieces of black colored copper wire and then with a plier I shape all the legs. It kind of looks like a Z. So the legs can go into the body, I twist it another time. Then dip all the legs into some liquid clay and push them into the belly of Nog. Brush some liquid clay all over to ensure it sticks nicely together. And now draw some lines onto the carapace. And bake. After baking and cooling off, paint some circles onto the carapace. Add 2 black dots for the eyes and 2 really tiny white dots for the shine. Varnish the eyes if you want to and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. For more Best Fiends tutorials, subscribe to the Best Fiends YouTube channel and let me know in the comments what kind of do-it-yourself you'd like to see next. And to see more of my videos, check out my YouTube channel at petitplat.fr. Bye!